Hi folks, Paul Meeks here, and why am I standing out in the rain filming this video? Because we're so dedicated to giving you the best product, the best quality, the best shipping experience. We don't care if it's raining. We'll do whatever it takes to make sure you're satisfied. So what are we doing today? I'm standing here in front of a truck. Actually, there's two trucks over here that are shipping out. This is a standard shipment of our TUFFBOOM barriers, and this is how we ship it. This is how it will arrive for you. We stack these 6 wide on a truck and 5 high, and we stack them in columns of 3. So all you do, we have spacers between the booms. When they arrive on site, you take your forklift or your lull, you drive it in between, you pick up the whole stack, and you set it down. It is that simple. What else do? We go the extra mile. We pre-attach all of your connection chain on these barriers before they go out. Why do we do that? We want to make it easy on your crews and fast when they go to install the booms. Follow me, let's walk down here and we'll show you. By the way, we got another truck getting ready to go out. That's what we call a Conestoga trailer, and we're not going to move until we finish this. He'll have to run us over. Backside of the truck, this shipment has debris screens on it. So if we ship with debris screens, we're going to have them stacked on the back. And one final look over here is our hardware. So your hardware is going to be packed on a skid, and it's going to be wrapped in bright orange so that you can find it. And one other thing we do on our hardware is we take photos of everything before we ship so we know that the quantities are exact, and that way if there's any issues whatsoever, we can pull up that photo log and you know that you got your stuff and you got it right. Thank you so much. This is what you can expect from Worthington, not just a quality product, not just quality engineering, but we even go the extra mile when we do the shipping. Thank you again. We look forward to working with you on your next Waterway barrier project. Thank you.